Ta-da!
Hi, I'm Coby, and today I'm gonna cook some scrambled eggs using pepper, salt, and also cream, and also with butter. So, and two eggs. Now, we start by washing our hands.
We start.
30 or 20
How about you
seconds.
wash your hands first?
Remember, wash your hands, kids. Wash your
Say
hands.
hi, Kitty Pie.
That's me in the background. And Katie is showing the salt. Wow. And she's like, I'm playing the salt. I'm playing the salt. And I'm like,
No, it's time is ticking.
and I come back. Okay, start first. First, crack one egg. Uno. Baby, don't touch that cup. Crack the egg first.
Make sure.
Second egg. Second egg. Come in. Coming in hot. And now, we put the heat.
And then?
I mean, we put the butter first.
What you're doing?
Forgot.
Put the...
Then make the heat. Turn on the heat. And then make it 100
Tell them what you're doing.
heat. The heat is 100. Oh gosh.
So what are you doing now?
Now, we're trying to mix the egg with the butter. With the butter? With the heat. It's mixing up scrambled egg. Want to try? No.
Okay.
Do you stop stirring? Tell them what to do.
Now you have to then we have to put it off the heat. Put it off the heat.
Careful. Okay, put it
And then back onto the heat. And then we do that.
Continue stirring. Make
Heat
sure
multiple
everything is
times.
not sticking.
Off the heat multiple times. Don't forget, okay? Multiple times. After that, we keep stirring, stirring, and stirring. Okay, now that you can now see that it's like kind of soliding up. So, okay, we bring it back to the heat. Back off the heat. And then, babies, please do not touch it. It's really hot. And
You
Katie's
cover your
just
face,
smiling.
please.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you can now see that it's hardening up a little bit. It's like the
Not yet.
eggy stuff. Like it's liquidy and solidy at the same time.
Almost done.
It's like and now we pile up all the eggs and then we spread it out a little bit. Make the power 80 now. Make the heat 80. And then now we just put some cream fresh. It's optional if you want to put creme fraiche. It's optional if you want to put creme fraiche, and it's also optional if you want to put pepper and salt, and also the butter. If you don't want to put any of the ingredients, that's okay. It's okay. It's your option, not mine. If you do want it, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, now we just get the side of the pan out. Get the eggs of the pan. Why eggs of the pan? Well, okay, we just make it to one side, and then now spread it a little bit and like.
The peppers.
Now we put salt.
The peppers.
Just make it like this. This is the pan. It's like it's raining salt. Same thing with the pepper also. Same thing with the pepper. And if you don't have a pepper, like this kind of pepper whatever it's called. And it's okay, just mix it a little bit more and then egg is served. That's it. And Katie,
What are you doing, Kuya?
What are you doing daw, Joy?
do not forget to turn off the pan.
What's
Turn off the pan. Turn off the pan after 15 minutes.
Oh, look at the salt is turning.
Then now, get the spoon and then try your recipe. Try your recipe.
Want to try?
Delicious. Delicious.
Try it daw so we can...
And Katie's inspecting it too. Yum yum. Yummy cat.
Show them what you made.
And Katie said,
Oh,
"This is what. Can I have some pepper? Need more pepper." And that's what the egg looks like when it's done. When it's done cooked. See? And Kate, I'm trying to feed Katie if she wants.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Speak up.
Look at the top of his head.
No.
She doesn't want.
We're done.
He doesn't want my egg.
So tell them, now you know how to make.
BB.
Now you know how to make.
I said BB.
Pepper and
I forgot. That was like 2 nights ago, I think. Now, you know how to cook scrambled eggs. See you in our next video. Peace out. BB.
Ta-da!